Hello guys, this is Lady Cara. I'm on a trail and I decided to make a video so I can walk. You know, it's like an excuse. But I love this part, you know why? Because if you take it like that, you can. It's like a scene from Lord of the Rings. You know what I mean when the hobbits are followed by the Asgul, like just hiding here, like you know what I mean. Even if you don't, still the impression I'm under. So yeah, I'm going on a trail and we are the next day of the Halloween festivities. I loved it. I went climbing with a friend and it was amazing. I absolutely love this atmosphere right now. Don't you feel magical? Like this is fucking fog. I love fog. I like the fog. I'm just like Forrest Gump. He understood everything about life. Just fucking run. So your thoughts don't come at you. By the way, the next day of Halloween in France, it's a holiday. So no work. And that's a beautiful day. Every time you don't have to work is a beautiful fucking day. Yesterday I was disguised as a zombie for the climbing party. Actually I was just a zombie and then I climbed. It's not really a party. But it felt pretty nice, let's be honest. I didn't go overboard on my my knees are a little bit. Is there someone over there? I don't like meeting people. That's why I'm running into the wet. Even though I say that on the steps, of course there's gonna be humans like me. But if I can avoid them, I will. I have enough in my week. I have enough people in my week. Yoo-hoo! By the way, look at that. What a fogging day. Fogging! I'm still on the fog joke. I'd like that. Est-ce qu'on aime? Est-ce qu'on aime? Of course on aime. Ah. Hello guys, I don't know if it's acceptable to look like that on the internet, but this is my face for now. I cannot do anything about it. I cannot move my lips too much. Why is that? Cold and wind. This is a perfect combination. Look at that, it's actually quite pretty. Oh my god, it's pretty. I have my little bar, chocolate bar, because amazing. It's the best bar in the world. I stole it, not in supermarket, I'm not like that. From my mother. I'm just like that. Am I a criminal? Probably. I saw chocolate. I was like, putain, in my where I live, there's no fucking chocolate. Should I go to the market and buy some? And guess what? The answer was no. We had a jury in my head, and the answer was no. I was like, it is at your disposition. Just take it. And then I asked my mother and she said, I don't care, take it. So actually I didn't steal it. At the end of my story. Very, very like thrilling story. Very, very amazing. Especially the vineyard. Everything is yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Hello guys, I'm back into nature. What I wanted to say is that I'm not just in nature, there's a little twist. I am in nature with neck pain. I don't know where I've stopped. I encountered human beings of the forest. It wasn't elves or anything, so a little bit of a deception. It was just humans. But you know what? You never know. Maybe one day I will be facing a beautiful dwarf and I'll be like, oh, I knew they existed. What a good mood to be in. The pain goes away when you put your mind in another place. Hello, I have a fashion statement. I know, don't look at me, just hear me, okay? So you don't get confused about my fashion statement. This that I have around my beautiful neck that is in pain is what we call a poncho. It was the best decision I've made in 2012. It's a poncho from 2012. Even though I do use it mostly as a scarf, it looks like I'm a hobo giving statement, like a fashion statement. But from a hobo to another hobo, let's share our best finds. And this poncho, that actually, if I put it as a poncho, it looks like I put a carpet, like a bathroom carpet, around my shoulders. It's exactly the look. Let me show you so you can visualize. I mean, sometimes you just have to visualize the statement. So wait, okay, I found a spot. So I use it as a scarf, but look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, okay. I couldn't do all those moves before the poncho arrived around my shoulders. This is amazing stuff, guys. I can tell, like, if something happens to me, all of the good people in the world will be like, she would be asking for it with this beautiful clothing on. Like, look at that, she's asking for it. She had a poncho. So yeah, that's my fashion statement. I hope you enjoy. Coming soon, more fashion statement. Kisses on your bed holes.